Bollywood's beloved Sonam Kapoor celebrated a special moment with loved ones, her baby shower. The Ranjana star is expecting her second child with husband Anand Ahuja in 2026, and the celebration was nothing short of magical. Sonam, already a proud mom to her son Vayu, born in 2022, was surrounded by family and friends at her beautiful Mumbai home. The Kapoor family was all there to celebrate, including grandfather-to-be Anil Kapoor, Aunt Mahib Kapoor, and cousins Anshula, Arjun, and Khushi Kapoor. The mum-to-be looked stunning in a lime green lehenga with delicate floral embroidery, showing off her baby bump in style. Her hair was neatly tied up in a bun, and she completed the look with an ornate set of Indian jewelry, necklace, earrings, and bangles, perfectly matching the occasion. It wasn't just family who joined the celebration. Bollywood stars like Kareena Kapoor Khan, Bhumi Pednekar, childhood friend Masaba Gupta, and veteran actress Shabana Azmi also graced the event with their presence, adding more glamour to the day. Fashion designer and actress Masaba Gupta, who's known Sonam since their school days, shared her heartfelt blessings on Instagram, wishing Sonam blessings and abundance for the new journey ahead. Sonam's brother-in-law, Karan Bulani, also shared a picture of the glowing mom-to-be posing happily at the event, capturing the love and joy of the day. Veteran actor Anupam Kher, a longtime friend of Sonam's dad, Anil Kapoor, also joined the celebrations, posting a picture with Sonam and sending love and blessings for her God Bharai. A special puja was also held at the Kapoor home, where Anand and Sonam prayed for blessings as they prepared to welcome their second child. The home was beautifully decorated with hanging paper birds and vibrant flower arrangements, making the day even more memorable. It's clear that Sonam and Anand's growing family is surrounded by love and joy. As their son Vayu turns 4 later this year, the couple continues to enjoy their life between New Delhi and London. We can't wait to see what's next for this beautiful family. Arijit Singh, one of the most celebrated voices in Indian music, made an emotional return to the stage in Kolkata, just days after announcing his decision to step away from playback singing. The concert, held on Sunday at the Netaji Indoor Stadium, was special not just because of Arijit's powerful presence, but because he shared the stage with none other than sitar maestro Anushka Shankar. The moment was electric. Anushka welcomed Arijit to a thunderous applause, and Arijit, who is known for his calm demeanor, admitted to feeling overwhelmed. He said, "I am very nervous. Thank you for having me." Narrator. During the evening, Arijit, Anushka, and percussionist Bikram Ghosh delivered a breathtaking performance of Maya Bhora Rati, a classic Bengali composition originally sung by Lakshmi Shankar and composed by the legendary Pandit Ravi Shankar. Fans couldn't get enough of the beautiful blend of classical and contemporary music. Arijit also shared a personal moment, revealing that he visited Anushka at her home, where the two worked on composing a song together. This hint at deeper collaboration has excited fans, eager to see what's next from the duo. And it didn't end there. Arijit and Anushka teamed up for a duet version of Traces of You, originally composed by Anushka and sung by Norah Jones. Arijit's adaptability shone through as he brought his unique voice to this global, experimental track. Earlier this year, Arijit made a heartfelt announcement, stating he would no longer take on new playback singing assignments. He expressed that this decision came from a place of fulfillment, not regret. And in another surprise twist, Arijit has teamed up with actress-singer Ayulia Vantur for a new track, Echoes of Us, which is sure to turn heads, especially considering his past differences with Salman Khan, Ayulia's close friend. It's clear that Arijit Singh's journey is evolving, and fans are excited for what's next. What do you think of his musical evolution? Let us know in the comments. Archana Puran Singh, along with her sons Aryaman Sethi and Ayushman Sethi, recently visited comedian Samay Raina's home to shoot a fun vlog. The visit turned into a hilarious exchange, especially when Samay called his mother on video call. During the call, Samay's mother joked about feeling unwell after seeing comedian Sunil Pal. She said, "Ha thoda बीमार हो, vomit हो गया." Archana, curious, asked, "Thank you." समय कह रहा था आपकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. समय then asked his mother, क्या देख लिए आपने ऐसा? To which she hilariously replied, कुछ नहीं देखा, सुनील पाल की शक्ल देखी. The room erupted in laughter, and Archana couldn't help but comment, "Now I know where the humor comes from." क्या killer joke मारा है आपने? Later, Samay explained why his mother reacted this way, saying, सुनील पाल ने बहुत उल्टा सीधा बोला था. The reference goes back to the India's Got Latent controversy last year. Sunil Pal had called Samay and Ranveer Allahabad terrorists in an interview. He said, "I think that the time has come to take action against these so-called comedians who are actually not comedians, but rather a blot on our society. They are terrorists who use foul language and obscene content. They claim to be content creators, but they have no content and are not creators. I believe they should be punished with at least 10 years in prison for spreading such filth." Fortunately, the differences were resolved, and Samay even teamed up with Sunil Pal for an advertisement. However, it seems Samay's mom is still holding a tiny grudge. What started as a casual vlog turned into a laughter-filled moment, showing that humor truly runs in Samay's family, though some jokes hit harder than others. Bollywood star Shahid Kapoor is currently gearing up for the release of Vishal Bharadwaj's upcoming film Oromeo, co-starring Tripti Dimri. But fans are buzzing with speculation about a potential crossover between Shahid's iconic Kabir Singh and Ranbir Kapoor's Animal. In a recent interview, Shahid revealed that director Sandeep Reddy Vanga had actually approached him with the idea while Animal was in production. Shahid said, "Jab Animal bhi ban rahi thi, actually Sandeep had come to meet me. He wanted one scene of Kabir to be there in that, but वो हो नहीं पाया. तो उनके मन में ये थॉट था, but वो हो नहीं पाया. कुछ डेट्स का इशू हो गया, कोई दूसरा इशू हो गया. But yes, he had said that I want one scene. फिर वो हुआ नहीं." So, while the idea of Kabir Singh appearing in Animal was considered, it didn't happen due to scheduling conflicts and other issues. Shahid explained that it was Sandeep's vision and any future crossover would depend entirely on him. He said, वो दोनों कैरेक्टर्स उनके हैं, वो दुनिया उनकी है, तो उनके साथ उनको जो मन में आएगा करने के लिए वो करेंगे. For context, Kabir Singh starred Shahid Kapoor and Kiara Advani. The film was a massive commercial success but faced criticism for allegedly glamorizing misogyny and toxic masculinity. Meanwhile, Sandeep Reddy Vanga's 2023 film Animal featured Ranbir Kapoor, Anil Kapoor, Bobby Deol, Rashmika Mandanna, and Tripti Dimri, and performed extremely well at the box office. Fans have long speculated about a Kabir Singh and Animal crossover, and now we know that the idea was once seriously considered. But as Shahid says, it's all in the hands of Sandeep Reddy Vanga. So whether these two worlds will ever collide remains a mystery, one that only the director can answer. For now, Shahid focuses on his upcoming Oromio, but fans continue to dream of a Kabir Singh and Animal cinematic crossover.